To view trending songs on YouTube, follow these simple steps. 1. Open YouTube. Begin by launching the YouTube application on your device or navigate to the YouTube website through your preferred web browser. 2. Sign in. If you haven't signed into your Google account, do so for more personalized experience. 3. Explore tab. Once on the homepage, locate the Explore tab on the left-hand side of the screen on the desktop or at the bottom of the app on mobile devices. This tab often appears as a compass icon. 4. Select Music. In the Explore section, you will find several categories including trending, music, gaming, and more. Click on the music category to open the segment where viral music content is featured. 5. Filter by trending. Within the music section, there might be a specific trending music section or a tab you can select to access songs that are currently popular and widely listened to. 6. Browse and listen. Once in the trending music section, browse through the list to discover new music offerings, artists, albums, and singles that are gaining popularity. 7. Custom recommendations. YouTube will occasionally offer recommendations based on your listening habits if you are logged in. Pay attention to these as they might show songs trending within your specific interests. By keeping an eye on the trending music section, you can stay updated on the latest hits and enjoy music that's making waves across various genres. YouTube frequently updates this feature to ensure dynamic content showcasing globally trending tracks.